Hello. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to locate draft and/or completed processes in eBuilder with American States Utility Services. If you've already completed a payment application, change request, request for information, or subcontractor performance assessment report, or you have drafted one, I will show you how to find these in eBuilder. First, you will have to log into eBuilder. You will go to gov.e-builder.net and you will enter in your login credentials. If you're unsure of what your login credentials are, feel free to reach out to an ASUS team member and we would be more than happy to assist. After you log into eBuilder, you will be on your home page. At this point, you will want to use the top blue module sections at the top of your screen and go to the Processes section. On the far right side of your screen, you will see an All Projects section. You will use the drop-down menu and select the project that you want to look within. Again, this will only be a list of projects that you have subcontracts with. At this point, you will see a Filter Processes section in the center of your screen. And this is how you are going to find any draft, open, and finished processes. I suggest on the search in row to enter in all processes. So toggle your mouse so the black dot is next to all processes. For type of process, you can either search by all processes or use the drop-down menu and select one specific type that you are trying to find. So if you just want to look at payment applications, you can select that from the list. Very important, next to that, you can mark off if you want to look at draft processes only, open processes only, and finished processes only. So you can check mark which types or all of them that you want to look at. And then you will scroll to the right-hand side of your screen and select the filter button. At this point, I am looking at all processes in draft, open, and finished status. And after I select filter, a grid will appear below. Any line that is in blue is a currently open process. You can see that the step that it's in and the date that it was started. So for example, this first line, the Subcontractor Performance Assessment Report, was started on February 19th, and it's currently waiting for the subcontractor to sign. Any gray italicized line is a completed and finished process. So for example, on the line that I have highlighted here, Pay App-2, this pay app was for $6,500, and this is a finished and approved pay app. So this has gone to accounts payable. So this is one, if it's gray italicized, has already been finished and submitted. And the last is when it is a orange italicized, this is your draft. It's not going to show a step or in step since because it's going to say not assigned on the far right because it is in draft status. If at any point you want to open up a draft, open, or finished process, you simply select the subject name and the pop-up, and that information associated to the process will appear. If you have any questions or are unable to find what you're looking for, feel free to reach out to an ASUS team member and we'd be more than happy to assist.